Hello friends, a very good day. Summer has come. Hope you have made your plans to celebrate your vacation. But I definitely believe that all the plant lovers may be feeling very bad thinking about their plants, how to provide them water when they are out. The post or this video which I am going to show you may help you to some extent. I got this idea of mini drip last year when I had a very few plants. When I was going out, I felt how to feed my plants in my absence. So I got this idea. Hope this would help all the plant lovers. So all the material which I require for this project is ready here. They cost you very minimum, it is very economical. Friends, as you can see, I have arranged all the necessary materials that are required for this DIY, that is do it yourself project. This mini drip requires first of all a 20-liter water can, which you can easily get from any water suppliers, the used ones. Before you take it, just check if it has any leakage. Though it has any leakage, it's not an issue because you can use them for planting your plants. But before you take, it's better you check for the leakage. Next, you require these small nozzles. These also you get in any aquarium shop. It has costed me around 5 rupees each. Usually we use them in aquarium for controlling oxygen. Then you require the pipes which are not UV treated. Since we are using this DIY or this mini drip project for a short period, that is only for summer, I'm using these water pipes. They are not UV treated. You may be knowing that if it is not UV treated, there is a chance of getting fungus into this. So it is only for a short period. These pipes also you get in aquarium shop. After you get it, you just cut them according to the distance that you're putting it. I've already made these pieces. For making this, you may require a cutter. Hope this is available with everyone. And these water pipes has costed me only 10 rupees per meter. Next, the most important thing and the most expensive in this whole project is this glue gun. It has costed me around 250 rupees. It is not that it is only useful for this particular thing. You can even use it for sticking any plastic containers which are damaged or which has some leakage. It is all one-time investment. Then you require a soldering rod which is used to pierce holes into the containers. Instead of this, you can also use a nail and candle, but that would take much of your time and it is not much cost. It has costed me around 50 rupees. If you see, I have already put them to the board. Now the things are ready here. Let us begin the process. As I said, I have checked leakage for this and I'm sure that there is no leakage. Now before we pierce holes into that, it's better we mark so that wherein you have to make holes. You need not measure it, but approximately you can make the distance and just circle or put a small dot over there wherein you can pierce holes. It depends how many you want. Now take this soldering rod which is heated now and just pierce a hole. Done. Now take these pipes and just insert them. After this, take this glue gun, which is already heated, and you can see that this stick, the glue stick which is hard, is now slowly melting, which is what we require. And just this is what is the entire secret here. Continue the process with remaining things also. See that children won't come to this place when you are doing this work, because these are really very hot. And after this is done, just leave this for at least 1 or 1.5 hours so that it totally sticks to the container. Just now we had pulpy orange, so for demonstration I'm using this bottle. Many of our friends have asked what to do with single small plants, because the small plants may not be included with this container project. So let us have the small bottles which are very easily available in every house. So the same process would go on here. Again, take this bottle with preheated soldering rod. You just pierce a small hole at the bottom like this, and here I have a very small pipe wherein I have already attached this oxygen controller or the nozzle, which I'm just inserting here. And now take this glue gun, it's done. And the same here, leave it for some time so that it gets completely stick to the bottle, then you can use it. After it totally sticks to the bottle or the container, you can see how it has become tight. You can even check there is no leakage. One I have already made for this demonstration in the morning itself. Now this is how it gets after it is totally stick to the container. Now the next process is putting this end caps or the nozzles, which I said, the oxygen controllers. This is done. This is how you need to put these nozzles at the end of the pipes. Now friends, the mini drip project is ready. Now you can put it near your plants. Now the tumbler is ready. It is filled with water, and you can see that these pipes are already being put into these pots. See how water is slowly dripping into the pots. It depends. You can control it. You can increase the force. Okay friends, I hope this would help your plants definitely. This entire project would help your plants. Now the question arises that what if the water is getting heated, since it is obvious we are placing it in an open sun. So water gets heated. Now how to protect this water from getting heated? We have many options. If you have thermocol sheets available anywhere, you can cover that entire tumbler with thermocol sheets, or else you can even cover it with rice bags, jute bags which are available. And other innovative thing that I have got is this grass. I brought it from a nearby Goshala. Now take this grass and just cover it like this. You can do it on the other side also. This is only a small idea that I got to keep the water cool inside the container. You can also use wood husk or any other material like dry leaves or anything as mulching for the plants, so that it would retain the moisture. Or else you can use the same grass, place it near the plant. It would act as mulching and it will retain moisture to your plants. Okay friends, I hope this post would help you and your plants and would make your summer vacation a memorable one. Thank you. Have a good day.